Hello and welcome to Jan Warrington Jeweller at my workbench. I'd like to show you a story of the most beautiful platinum and diamond engagement ring, an antique ring that had lost its main stone through wear and tear. All the settings were very worn and the side stones were about to fall out as well. But within 3 days of it being dropped into me, I was returning it in fully restored condition and looking better than ever. Please, if you have a ring that you think might be worth having a check, just to be sure that you're not about to lose a stone yourself, then a clean and a check is a very quick and simple thing, and we might be able to avert a disaster. Thank goodness this main stone was found. Thank you very much for watching.